विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, दिनांक 1/6/2020ला आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ हा चॅप्टरमधील डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ पॅरामेट्रिक फंक्शन हा भाग अभ्यासला आहे. तसेच या भागावरील थेरमसुद्धा आपण अभ्यासलेले आहे. एव्हाना ते तुमचे बाहाट लर्न झालासुद्धा असेल. तसेच आपण या भागावरील बरेचसे प्रॉब्लेमसुद्धा सोडवले आहेत. आज आपण याच भागावरील अजून काही प्रॉब्लेम अभ्यासणार आहोत. उदाहरणार्थ, इफ x इज इक्वल टू a root of sec theta minus tan theta and y is equal to a root of sec theta plus tan theta, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x. Solution: given y is equal to a root of sec theta plus tan theta. As you know, y is a function of theta, therefore we differentiate this function with respect to theta. That is, dy by d theta is equal to a into 1 upon 2 root of sec theta plus tan theta into derivative of sec theta plus tan theta, which is equal to a upon 2 root sec theta plus tan theta into, in bracket, sec theta into tan theta plus sec square theta, because derivative of sec theta is sec theta into tan theta and derivative of tan theta is sec square theta. Observe this bracket carefully. You will find that sec theta is common. That's why we have a into sec theta in bracket sec theta plus tan theta upon 2 root sec theta plus tan theta. After simplification, we have dy by d theta is equal to sec theta upon 2 in bracket a into root of sec theta plus tan theta. Therefore, dy by d theta is equal to y into sec theta upon 2, because a into root of sec theta plus tan theta is our value of y. Now consider x is equal to a root of sec theta minus tan theta. Differentiate this function again with respect to theta. Therefore, we have dx by d theta is equal to a upon 2 root sec theta minus tan theta into derivative of sec theta minus tan theta, which is equal to a upon 2 root sec theta minus tan theta into bracket sec theta into tan theta minus sec square theta. Here we will take minus sign common and sec theta common. Therefore, we have minus a root of sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta upon 2. This we will get after simplification, which is equal to minus x sec theta upon 2, because a into root of sec theta minus tan theta is our value of x. Now we can write dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta into upon dx by d theta. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y into sec theta upon 2 into 2 upon minus x into sec theta. 2 get cancelled, sec theta get cancelled. Therefore, at last we have dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x. Let us see one more sum. Problem number 8. If x is equal to e raised to power sin 3t and y is equal to e raised to power cos 3t, show that dy by dx is equal to minus y into log x upon x into log y. Given y is equal to e raised to power cos 3t. As y is a function of t, we differentiate this with respect to t. Before differentiating, we will use the laws of method of finding the derivative of logarithmic function. Here we will use logarithmic method. Therefore, log y is equal to cos 3t into log e. Taking log on both sides, we will have this step. As you know, log e is equal to 1. Therefore, we have log y is equal to cos 3t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dt is equal to derivative of cos 3t is sin 3t into derivative of 3t is 3 minus sin, because derivative of cos is minus sin. Therefore, next step will become dy by dt is equal to minus y into 3 into sin 3t. Now consider x is equal to e raised to power sin 3t. Taking log on both sides, we will have log x is equal to sin 3t into log e, which is equal to log x is equal to sin 3t. Now differentiate this with respect to t. Again it will become 1 upon x into dx by dt is equal to 3 cos 3t, because derivative of sin is cos. Therefore, dx by dt is equal to x into 3 into cos 3t. Right? Now, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Put the values of dy by dt and dx by dt. We have dy by dx is equal to minus y into 3 into sin 3t upon x into 3 into cos 3t. 3 get cancelled. Therefore, we have dy by dx is equal to minus y into log x upon x into log y, because sin 3t is equal to log x and cos 3t is equal to log y. Thus, we showed dy by dx is equal to minus y into log x upon x into log y. Let us see one more sum. Differentiate 5 raised to power x with respect to log of x to the base 5. See the method carefully. Let us take u is equal to 5 raised to power x and v is equal to log x to the base 5. We cannot differentiate directly log of x to the base 5. Therefore, we will use the laws of logarithm, change of base, and after that we will differentiate this function. Therefore, v is equal to log of x to the base 5 will become log x to the base e upon log 5 to the base e. Now, differentiate u is equal to 5 raised to power x. It will become du by dx is equal to 5 raised to power x into log of 5, and dv by dx is equal to 1 upon log 5 constant into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Therefore, du by dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Put the values of du by dx and dv by dx, which is equal to 5 raised to power x into log of 5 upon 1 upon x into log 5. After simplification, we will have du by dv is equal to 5 raised to power x into log of 5 square. In this way, we finish these 3 sums. Let us write these 3 sums in your notebook carefully and try to solve some more sums yourself at home. Next part we will see tomorrow.